there, Shalini Mittal here from Tech Gatha, and this video covers assignment on arrays. If you want to understand about arrays, declaration, syntax and how to create arrays in Java, watch the video under the playlist Java Tutorials for Beginners. The link of the same is provided in the description. So let's begin with the assignment in the arrays. First question. Solution is C, because length is a valid property of arrays that provides you with the size of the array. Next. Solution A. How? The initial array is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. When I say A of 0 is 23, that means the value at 0th index is 23. When we say A of 3 is 1, that means value at index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, in place of 8, the value at index 1, that is 4, gets assigned. So the new array becomes 23, 4, 6, 4, 10. We are saying A of 0 plus A of 1. So value at index 0 is 23. Value at index 1 is 4. So sum of 23 plus 4 is 27. Next question. The solution is A. How? Your initial array is 2, 4, 6, 8. When I is 0, I less than equal to 1, true, it goes inside. Value of S is A of I is 0, so A of 0 plus, A of 3 minus I, so 3 minus I is 0, 3 minus 0 is 3, so value at index 0 is 2, value at index 3, 0, 1, 2, 3 is 8, 8 plus 2, it prints 10. It increments the value of I to 1. Again at 1, 1 less than equal to 1, true. Value at index 1 is 4. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Value at index 2 is 6. It gives me 10. Increments the value of I to 2. I is 2, which is false because 2 is not less than or equal to 1. The loop exits. Next question. This is a bit tricky one. Initially, the array has values A, L, V, I, K, Y. So total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 elements. The value of K is 1. This assignment alpha of 0 plus alpha, alpha dot length, that is 6, minus 2, that is 4. So alpha of 4, value at index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is K. Increments the value of K by 1. So that is plus Hij, so it becomes L. Assigns a value at 0, that is L. At the same time, it also modifies the value at index 4 because it's a post increment operator and increment operators work on the operands directly. So value at 0 is L and value at 4, that is in place of K, is also L. Next statement, K plus plus, post increment operator, so the K is 1, alpha of 1. Value at index 3, that is 0, 1, 2, that is I. So I gets assigned at 1 and the K becomes 2 post this expression. So the new array becomes, we already have L at the 0th index, then becomes I, V, I, L, Y. Next statement, alpha of plus plus K. K has already changed to 2, it's 3. Alpha of 3 is equals to alpha at the index 1, so 0, 1, that is I, minus 4. So it decrements the value of I by 4. You can count, it comes to E. I'm typecasting into char because The value of I, that is ASCII value, minus 4, it results in integer. You cannot store integer value into a character array. So then you have to typecast into the char, and then this E gets stored at index 3. So 0, 1, 2, 3, this I is replaced by E, and the new array that we get is lively, and it prints lively in one line because we don't have ln. For the next question, please grab a notebook and a pen, or maybe open an editor, solve the question on your own first, and then look up for the solution. Actually a very easy program. We have to take the input from the user, the size of the array. Once the user enters how many elements they want in an array, we create the array that is of type double for storing the value of radians with the size that the user enters. Again, I go over here in the loop. Remember, array index always starts from 0, goes to less than size, I plus plus. I say enter value 1. So I is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. So this is just used for printing. This is not actually changing the value of I, because it's a binary operator, not an increment operator. Radians of I, that means the first value, the value entered by the user gets assigned. Once we have taken the input from the user, we again start the loop, again from 0 to size. I take the first value, so radians of I give me the radians of I give me the first double value in the array. I take that value, apply the formula, calculate into degrees and display that. And you just go on till the length of the array. So hope you liked the assignments and were able to solve all of them. Do ping in the comment section below how many you were able to solve, if you found it challenging or not. We'll come up with more assignments soon. Till then, happy learning, take care and bye-bye.